We made it to the national park. I don't know if this small street is gonna lead us to the waterfalls where we're trying to go, but we will see. There's not really a real path going through here, so we shall see. At least I'm good prepared with a huge drone and the right shoes. It's perfect for a hike. I usually love Google Maps because 98% of the time it shows me the right way, but sometimes I got into places I shouldn't have gone. We'll see if today is one of these days and if we can make it to the waterfalls. I don't know if we're gonna make the mission, but I got an idea. I have the drone with me, and so I'm gonna try to fly it and see if we're anywhere close to the waterfalls. Okay, so we met this nice woman, and she basically told us that we're about an hour and 30 minutes away from the place we wanted to go, and that she hikes here every day, and there's all the time people coming that are searching for the waterfalls, which are like, as I said, 1.5 hours away. So, well, now we're gonna see if we actually drive that far, because we have to get back again. So it's gonna be like 3 hours, 4 maybe, with the way back home, since we're not close to our apartment. I think our mission is failed, but we will see. So we decided, since there is no wind anyway and we have nothing to do, we're gonna take the drive there and see if we can find it, hopefully. Okay, we're supposed to be super close, but now it tells me to go back where we are, but that's wrong for sure, so I have no idea what to do. We will see now. Okay, I found something, but let's see if this is the right one. So we couldn't find it, so we were just stopping at the mall to get some water and coffee and stuff, and then we continue. And of course, the most important, coffee. So Google led us to the wrong destination again, but there was this nice woman again helping us, another woman of course. It's really amazing how helpful South Africans are. We just stopped on the side of the road, and this woman immediately stopped, and she was like, "Are you guys lost? Can I help you?" And we were like, "Yeah, Google Maps can't help us, so please." So now let's see if we can find it. Well, at least the scenery is amazing, I have to say that. I'm pretty sure we're on the right way. Pretty sure. So we made it, but now it's like 12 o'clock and I'm trying to take a towel as protection for my head. We have to walk like 30 minutes to the waterfall, and it didn't rain for a month, so let's see how much water is gonna fall out of the waterfall. I just asked some people if there's any water in the waterfall, and they told me we have the drought of the century. What do you think? And I'm like, I don't know, I've been searching for this place for 2 hours, so part of me is even happy that there's no water in the waterfall, because it's so hot and the walk is pretty long. So yeah, we're just gonna go for a swim now, if we can make it there. We're walking around once to see where it's best to jump in for my swim. Now it's not so hot anymore because it's windy and there's some shadow here. So it's not like before when I was almost dying.
After all the heat and all the kiting, all the heat and all the hiking, the cooling off is really amazing. It's hard to swim though with a GoPro in your hand. And the ground is really dark. So it's actually kind of scary because you don't know what's beneath you. But everybody else doesn't bother, so.
Okay, that was really refreshing, and now we're on our way back. See, this is what happens when you complain about the heat. It gets suddenly windy and now it's super cold. So now we're running from the wind. Before that from the heat, now from the wind.
Suddenly picked up to about 25 or 30 knots. I'm not gonna fly my drone in a restricted area for once, and I'm gonna leave it here. Yeah, so now we're gonna get back to Blueberg.